Here is day 2 of my raw vegan fast, and I felt so amazing after this day that I actually wanted to go fully raw vegan. So let me show you 3 delicious and simple raw vegan recipes that will change your life. Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to another Ital Eats and Treats video where we prioritize health and longevity. So I'm starting off my day with some delicious green juice that I made the day before. It's actually in my previous raw vegan recipe video, so if you're interested in the recipe, you can go ahead and check out that video. Now I'm gonna break open the coconut. Me saying that in patois, I'm gonna break open this coconut and save the water for myself, but also look at how beautiful that coconut looks. Please look at how gorgeous it looks. I'm separating the meat from the shell. Usually I get coconuts to make homemade coconut milk because homemade coconut milk just tastes 100 times better, but today I'm actually using it in a fruit salad. So I'm using the meat and chopping it up to serve with other fruits. Coconut meat is literally so good for you. One time when I was in Kingston with my auntie and my cousin, I had chopped up some coconut pieces, and the coconut in Jamaica tastes so much fresher and just sweeter and nicer, and I put it in like a little bag and sealed it up. So my aunt was like, "What type of candy do you have?" I said, "I have coconut." So yeah, if you know me, you know say me love coconut. Coconut is literally so good for you. The water from the coconut, the milk from the coconut, the meat from the coconut. You can even save the shell if you break it like clean in half, and you can use it as a bowl. There's just so many things that you can do with coconut. It tastes amazing in soups, in curries. It tastes amazing in stew peas. It tastes amazing in smoothies. Oh, coconut is so versatile. So I'm pairing this with some chocho, aka chayote. I'm pairing it with some green apples and some blueberries, and this was my breakfast for the day. I ate the whole bowl. Well, I saved a little bit for later on in case I got hungry, but this was incredibly filling. So I made the mistake of pairing the coconut water from the coconut with some oregano oil, key lime, and regular water. It was literally disgusting. I had to throw it away and restart. So don't do what I did. Or maybe it was just the coconut. I don't know, but it did not taste good. I am a girl that loves grapefruit. Miso woman will love grapefruit. Alright? Grapefruit is so good for you. It's an amazing citrus and it's really bitter as well. When I was younger, my mom actually used to cut it in half and then like just pour over some brown sugar. I don't do that anymore because my taste buds have changed and I am a lot easier and more receptive to bitters. Like I drink savory all the time. I drink Guaco all the time, and those are 2 Jamaican teas that are like honestly the most bitter thing in the world, and I'm able to drink those quite well. So you know what? If it's bitter, it's most likely good for you, except for alcohol. Try your best not to drink too much alcohol, okay? I am now preparing a big $A $, that's spelled ass, salad, and this salad, this salad literally changed my life. I did stuff that I never did before, like I combined romaine lettuce with kale, and I also combined it with cilantro as the main base of the salad, and I also chopped up some Scotch bonnet pepper. Yes, I actually found Scotch bonnet at the farmer's market instead of habanero. I chopped up some scallion, aka green onion, sliced up some onions, and paired everything together along with a creamy salad dressing, and this salad basically changed my life. The spice and the heat from the butterscotch bonnet paired with the creaminess and the coolness of the dressing, along with the coolness of the cucumber and the bell pepper. Oh my goodness, it just literally almost changed my life. If you do not like salads, it's probably because you're not experimenting with the flavor and with the taste of it. You have to make sure that you put your heart and soul and your foot into everything that it is that you're cooking, including salads.
Make your soul want to sing. Make your soul want to sing like. Make soul want to sing. Make soul want to sing. Make soul want to sing. Make soul want to sing.
Another amazing exponent of this salad was actually my vegan ground beef, or my walnut taco meat, made from sunflower seeds, walnuts, and mushrooms. I actually soaked the sunflower seeds and the walnuts overnight so that it could be better on my digestion, because I find that when I eat a lot of raw nuts and I don't soak them, they make my stomach hurt, so I don't want that to happen. I went ahead and seasoned it with some seasonings and some coconut aminos, and it tasted amazing. If you're interested in the recipe, it's linked in bio and on my website, italeatsandtreats.com. I had absolutely zero digestion problems all day. My stomach was just literally doing backflips. I felt so good these 2 days of my raw vegan fast, and I was like, okay, maybe if I don't necessarily go fully raw vegan, because I really love a lot of my cooked foods and a lot of my traditional Jamaican recipes are often cooked, I can incorporate more raw days. So you guys are going to be definitely seeing a lot more raw recipes on the channel, and you're going to definitely be seeing a lot more fully raw vegan videos on the channel, because eating raw makes me feel so alive. It makes my body feel so active and electric, and it makes me feel amazing. I usually like to take my sea moss earlier on in the day, like when I first wake up in the rising, but I totally forgot. So I'm having it after my meal, but it's more ideal to consume it when I wake up first thing in the rising on an empty stomach, so it can really just have an amazing effect. At this point in the day, I was hungry, but not too hungry for dinner, so I wanted to make like a dessert before dinner, and I decided to whip up my energy ball recipes that are made from chocolate and walnuts. The recipe is on my website and linked in the description box if you're interested in it. It's an absolutely delicious recipe. It's so simple, and it only includes a few ingredients. It's made from walnuts, dates, cacao powder, but today I'm opting for carob powder, which is a chocolate replacement, vanilla, and cinnamon. And oh my goodness, this was so good. They basically taste like fudge or like a raw vegan brownie, and I decided to roll that up in some coconut flakes, and this really gave me a lot of energy, hence the name energy balls. For dinner, I developed a brand new recipe for Una, and I'm so excited to share it. So this is gazpacho. Gazpacho is actually a raw soup, fully raw, made from tomatoes and other veggies, and it comes from Spain in the Mediterranean area. I first tried this one time when I was in Colombia. I accidentally ordered it off the menu because I think I was pointing to one thing and I accidentally ordered this. And so when she brought out like a blended soup, I was like, what is that? And she said, that's your gazpacho. And I said, oh, I never realized that was what gazpacho was. At first I was very skeptical because I had never tried a cold soup before, but this was actually delicious. It's a type of thing that's like, don't knock it till you try it, and I really enjoyed it. It was very cooling. I think a lot of people really enjoy gazpacho when it's hot outside, especially, you know, if you're in Spain, you're by the Mediterranean Sea, you're gonna be getting that heat. So I'm sure enjoying this by the seaside would be absolutely amazing. This recipe is really good and very tasty and perfect for people who are on a raw vegan diet who want to have something that's like, you know, a bit more cozy. But this is also perfect for the weather that we're in right now, springtime, but it can be served any time of the year. And remember that this recipe is linked in the description box and on my website, italeatsandtreats.com. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Bye!